Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix Steam not opening issue. So if Steam is not opening, I'm going to show you some methods on how you can fix this. So the first method is to open up Task Manager. And once you've opened up Task Manager, search for Steam and end the task of Steam. So when all Steam tasks are ended, close Task Manager. And then what you'll do is go to the search and search for run, hit enter. And on the text bar, you'll input percentage local app data percentage and hit enter. This will open up a folder full of app data. And then you'll scroll down and search for Steam. And once you've found Steam, right click and delete it. So once you've deleted the Steam folder in the app data folder, go to Steam and try to open it. If it is still not working, try the following method. So go to your File Explorer again, go to this PC, then open up your local disk. In your local disk, open the folder that says Program Files x86, and then scroll down and look for Steam. Here is Steam. Open up Steam. So once you've opened up the Steam folder, you'll delete everything except for two things. One is the Steam apps folder, and the other is the Steam application here. So delete those. So this is what it looks like after you delete everything. And after you delete, all you have to do is open up the Steam application. So what this will do is update Steam from scratch. So it's basically reinstalling it again. And here we are. Once Steam has finished installing, it will open up and you can log in. So this is how you fix Steam if it's not opening. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.